Have fun flying an impressive tiny drone that both kids and adults can enjoy with the Tello Small Toy Drone. Aside from being fun to fly, Tello helps you learn about drones through coding education. It can also perform flips in up to 8 directions and shoot high-quality videos with EZ shots. You don't even need any prior experience to use Tello. Simply take out your phone and connect to the app to start flying it anytime, anywhere thanks to its intuitive controls. In addition, Tello comes with DJI flight technology to guarantee stable flights. Furthermore, its controller compatibility offers accurate control for every flight experience. Tello provides a flight time of 18 minutes and a flight distance of 100 meters. Just toss Tello into the air to start flying. Finally, add VR goggles for a truly immersive flying experience.